Hello girls and guys, welcome to another video of learning how to drive the car. I will talk about how to move the car with MSPSL today. On your first lesson, when you go after the controls and all that stuff, you will be moving your car with MSPSL. And how to move the car with MSPSL? Mirrors. First thing is mirrors. You will get ready first, put the first gear in, find your biting point. After finding the biting point, check 6 safety places all around your car, from your left shoulder to all the way to the right shoulder, and that is 6 safety places. After checking the 6 safety places, you will decide, do you need to put the signal on or not. Getting ready means switching on the engine, first gear, biting point. Once you found that, then you are ready, and you check 6 safety places all around the car, from your left shoulder finishing over your right shoulder like this, and checking the blind spot. That is all come under mirrors. When you're moving your car from a stationary position to the road, you always do that. Check 6 safety, and then you check 6 safety, and then you decide, do you need a signal or not. Why we are checking 6 safety all around the car and checking the mirrors? To make sure that it's safe to go on the road. So once you've done that, if you found anyone around you, all around you, then you put the signal on. The next thing is signal. Tell people what you are doing. If anyone is coming from behind you, that's their right of way. After checking 6 safety places all around the car, making sure that there is no one behind you coming from behind, then you put the signal on. Looking all around, making sure it's safe. If there is anyone around you found, then you put the signal on. Next thing is signal. Then you tell people what you're doing by putting the right signal on to move the car, because you will be pulled up on the left. Then the next thing is position. So you release the handbrake, slowly bring the clutch up, and keep rolling the car on a slower pace. And then you will be keep changing your position away from the side of the road to go in the middle of the road. As you can see in the picture, the whole road is not belong to you. Half of the road is yours, half of the road like this is oncoming. If there is a marking in the middle of the road, then you don't go on the other side of the road marking of the center white line. If there is no marking in the middle of the road, then you assume that there would be a middle white line around here, and then you leave enough room for oncoming car if there is no marking in the middle of the road. That is your positioning. After the biting point, you are bringing the clutch up slowly, and when you are bringing the clutch up slowly, do not lift the clutch up in one go after the biting point. It will stall the car. So bring it up slowly, feed the power to the wheels. Do not throw the power to the wheels. Feeding the power to the wheels mean you bring the clutch up slowly and power is going slowly to the wheels. Let the wheels roll once or twice, then you will bring the clutch fully up, not in one go. And then as you are doing that with your foot, then you fixing your positioning. Quarter of the steering will take you away from the curb and to the middle of the road, and then after that you straight the wheels up. That is positioning. And the speed, you are bringing the clutch fully up now and go, leave the clutch alone and then go on the gas. Touch the gas pedal or accelerator and very light pressure on the gas pedal and then keep going. And then the last thing is look. You are looking at the road where you're going and you look into the mirrors after a while and see what is happening behind me. Key things to remember: if there is anyone coming from behind, you don't go, but you can put the signal on and let them go and then tell them that you want to go, and then you will go. Then after, let them go past and then you will go. Next thing you need to remember is when you see someone around you, doesn't matter if they are sitting in the car waiting on the pavement, man with a dog, woman with a pushchair, anybody, you just put the signal on, regardless if they are on the right side of the road or on the left side of the road. Just put the signal on, let them know what, and once you are gone, then you will carry on going from there, first gear and little gas, light pressure on the gas, and then you will keep moving your car. That is how to move the car with MSPSL from the left to the middle of the road on the first lesson. And I'll talk about the next video, stopping on the left with MSPSL. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.